Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error code 529. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix the Roblox join error that says, "We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later." Error code 529. So we'll go through several steps to fix this error and hopefully get you able to play Roblox. Alright, so if you get this error code, most likely this is caused by Roblox actually having issues on their server. So if you get this error code, what I recommend doing first is opening up a browser and navigating to status.roblox.com. This is the official server status website for Roblox. As you can see, it shows you the status of all of their servers, including PC, mobile, and consoles, so you can see if anything is down. And if there's something down, then that probably is the reason why you're getting this error. But if everything is up like I currently have, there are a couple things you can do on your computer to hopefully fix this error. First, go down to the Windows Start button down here. Right-click it, and then go up to Network Connections. Select Network Connections. This will open up the network settings for your computer. And you first want to make sure that you're actually connected to the internet. So it should say up here, you're connected to the internet. If you don't see that, then I recommend rebooting your computer and making sure that your computer is connected to the internet. Once you've confirmed you're connected to the internet, go down and select Advanced Network Settings, and here go to Network Reset. I recommend resetting your all network settings can resolve this issue. After you try this troubleshooter, you're still getting error code 529. What I recommend doing is go back to Roblox.com, try playing a different game, or even try playing Roblox on a different device. If you tried all those steps and you're still getting Roblox error code 529, reboot your computer and your router. Unplug the router for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and that should fix it. So that's basically how you can fix the Roblox error code 529. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.